Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. Ron, tell me what's going on with your neck.
So right now I'm feeling pain on towards like my left side of my neck down to my shoulder. Usually when I turn to the left, I feel like a strong pinch that hurts.
In the trap area or the scapula?
Trap area.
In the trap, okay.
Trap all the way to like the top of my scapula area.
Okay.
And then when I turn to the right, I feel pain, but pain from like something being pulled. Started just last night. I woke up to use the restroom and I had I felt sharp pain from there.
And how much pain from 0 to 10?
Right now, if I'm not moving or turning my head, it's more like a discomfort right now. But when I start moving, when I feel the pinch, I'd say like about a 4 or 5. And from the pull by turning to the right, I'd say like a 3 or so.
3?
Yeah.
Okay. And that's been for the last couple of days,
Yes,
been going on?
From last night, yeah.
So let's actually turn left and right and we'll see how far you can turn. And tell me how much pain. You're really tight.
So
very tight.
This is as far as it can go.
Yeah.
I feel the pinch already. I'd say right now this is like a 5. Yeah.
Okay. Let's do the other side.
This is as far
You're
as I go.
tight too. Yeah. Let's
When I turn to the right, I feel like it's something is being pulled to the point where like I feel like it's just tilting my head instead of turning it.
Yeah, you compensate it. So let's extend your neck. Flex. When you're
actually, this one hurts.
That hurt or no?
It does.
How much from 0 to 10?
Seems like a 4.
A 4.
Like
okay,
like
don't aggravate it. Okay. All right. No, that's too much. Okay.
Oh, sí, perdón. Ok, déjame despedir la llamada.
Headaches or?
No.
Have you injured your head before?
I haven't.
Like accident, trauma, or poor posture, or anything like that?
It's probably safe in posture.
Posture slouching forward?
Yeah.
You PTA, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, physical therapist.
And it's over time, the accumulation, or probably how I slept too. Like when I woke up last night, it's like it felt like it was like a pinch. Oh, I feel that.
The pupil is okay. Take
It's
a
okay. It's better.
Let's do the other range of motion. Rotation.
Nothing there. Nothing
Okay. How does that feel?
there. Feels better. Definitely a lot better.
That's good. So, what do you think about the treatment? That's the treatment.
Still a believer.
Okay.
It's the second time.
Second time. Yeah,
Still
that's
a believer.
good. Yeah, I'm glad.
It's
Better with the
crazy.
treatment. Yeah. So, good. Awesome. Thank you. You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.